Sometimes when we see an equation that has a fraction in it, we make it harder on ourselves than it is. Let's understand what's really going on here. X over 5 equals 9 is really saying x divided by 5 equals 9. If I looked at x divided by 5, that's the same thing as saying x times 1/5 equals 9. I get that from the fact that division is really just multiplication of an inverse. If I saw x times 1/5 equals 9 and I wanted the 1/5 to go away, I see that times 1/5 and recognize that if I take x times 1/5 and now multiply both sides by 5 over 1, I'll be able to come around and say, well, this is 9 times 5. Where the 5 over here I wrote it as 5 over 1 so I could manage my fraction, but over here I just let it be 9 times 5. Either way, I'm just multiplying both sides of the equation by 5. So I'm left now with x times 1, otherwise known as just x, equals 45. So our final answer, x equals 45, and we're good to go. That's ultimately what's going on behind the scenes. That's going to become difficult to manage in the future for us. So what I want to recognize here is that I can just come over here and say, well, this is multiply this side by 5 and multiply this by 5. Now the reason I chose 5 because I'm trying to make the fraction go away. It'd be my best interest to make that all disappear. So now I'm left with 5x over 5 equals 45. Well, 5 over 5, that's going to reduce, and that's why we chose the 5s as we did, because ultimately it was our goal to get rid of it. So the reason why we chose to multiply both sides by 5 is because that was the denominator that I was trying to get rid of. So my focus here was trying to get rid of that 5.